Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Val Ngige, and it's your first time here. Welcome, karibu sana, and please subscribe for more videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, kama kawaida, thank you for staying tuned. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be having my makeup done. So there's this place to Leona where they're doing makeup for 150 bob, and we entered tukauliza kama ni kweli, na they confirmed ni kweli. So one of my friends akani challenge I go get my makeup done, and so that's what we're going to be doing today, to on how they're doing it. And yeah, so basically that's it. So guys, come with me, let's go. So guys, we're here. I'm about to get my makeup done, and then we can go.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I...
So tumemaliza. Sawa, asante.
Imagine someone here just took makeup. And they're toy. How much? I don't want to say how much it is. But guys, yo man.
No bad.
Yo man. Sasa unaenda kutoa like seriously.
Lazima nitoe because of my skin.
My skin.
And then too. Manze siwezi tembea hivi. Good morning guys, I hope you guys are doing fine. So today's another day and I'm going to town. So by town today I mean Nairobi. So I'm going to Nairobi. I have some errands to run, I have some people to meet up with, I also have work, and yeah. So yesterday was still like another busy day, but then I couldn't feel because kwenye nilikuwa like there was no point, singeweza kufeel anything because no phones allowed. And then now nimeona kijoke, and then now right now it's around 6:30. Actually it's past 6:30. I'm late because I'm supposed to be in Kilimani by 9. So you guys, you can imagine kubit traffic ya Thika Road. God, I don't know, I just hope sitapata traffic. That's my prayer with this. So I want to get there at least by around 8:30 so that I can do my makeup before 9. And then yeah, so guys, let's go. So guys, by the way, my face didn't react to the products that were used on me juicy, but I didn't stay with it. Like nilipakwa and then I just went to my studio, okay, to my place of work hapo kwa studio, and then nikatoa the makeup. So yeah, it didn't react. I'm happy because you guys can see my skin. Any place ni hapa ndo kuna kaa nikaa kunataka kumisbehave, but we good. So you guys, that's my skin. At least it's doing much better than it was doing before, but right now I'm trying to follow my nighttime skincare routine, because for me my morning routine is like tricky to follow. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another day of this vlog. So guys, niliwachia I don't even know where, but I've been quite busy. So this is 2 days since I had my makeup done at 150 bob for 150 bob. So yeah, so today guys is a working day for me, and then I realized that my products zimeishaisha za makeup, and my girl in town has a shop. Oh my god, you guys, by the way, kama unaishi Thika na ujakuja kwa hii shop, you're missing out. Like his shop, it's everything. I'm gonna show you guys what they're selling. They're selling everything, original products, especially foundations, because I know that is what like most of us ama watu wengi wanafanyanga makeup na original products. We get like kashida hivi ya kupata original products in Thika, but yo, I gotcha, you know. So this shop iko hapa directions and me hatupatanangi, so let me try. His shop iko Safaricom shop. Hi. So guys, I passed by Vera because I'm having exams on the 21st of June. So I passed by here to get my exam card, to clear everything, just to be sure that I'm doing exams, because lazima tumalize hii shule, by the way. Lazima nimalize shule. Oh, I'm excited. So guys, we're gonna get back to work right now. Aki Mash. I'm sorry, Mash. So hi guys, welcome back to this vlog. So side for lunch. So tuko hapa tunaitwa Bob City in Thika. We are having pork. So the first one has been brought and ready. Really, let me show you guys. So this is our pork. One day is waiting for her ugali. Mimi, I'm not taking ugali because sis is not hungry though. But we met with Wandia today and decided we have to catch up, have lunch, blah blah blah. So you guys, you know how we do it. So yeah, let me show you guys. Actually, let me keep Wandia to say hi to you guys as we wait for her ugali and eat. Haki nyama inakaa utamu. I know, inakaa tu tamu.
Hi, I'm Wandia. Actually, I'm teacher Wandia. I'm a fashion and design tutor. I graduated from Kirinyaga University, and I've been following Val since 2019 or 2020, somewhere there.
But yes. Imagine we met through YouTube. We met through YouTube, you guys. Like, what?
Yeah, I was like, oh, let me search for bedsitter videos. At least you know when you're back at my bedsitter campus. Then I came across, I was like, wow, this house is big. And then nikasikia unafanya fashion. So definitely I was interested.
Like,
yeah. Then I got your number. Then everything else. History.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was in Nairobi, got transferred to Thika, and you know your girl.
We here.
Definitely lazima ninge connect na
you guys. So guys, yeah, imagine we met with Wandia through YouTube, like what? And we left stage how we became friends. YouTube and then Instagram and then WhatsApp and then boom. We talk, we chat, we like, yeah. Actually, najua hii lighting iko off because I'm supposed to be here, but guys, imagine. Let me try. Na nimeacha tripod kwa studio, imagine. Chinga tu. So guys, we are here, we are waiting for our lunch. Tunakula pork, hapa Pork City. Tunangoja kaushwe. Tukule. Okay guys, whether if you come to Thika, hebu niambie nini na tunapatana na nini tunakula lunch. Yeah. Because mimi lazima tupatanange na nini. Connections. Aki one day is so nice. Like msichana ati huwezi boeka. Like she's such a vibe. And by the way, unafaa ufungue channel yako ya fashion. Purely fashion.
Yeah, from everything from scratch. from construction, pattern
Sewing,
stitching, types of stitches, everything. I'll start seeing. I promise you by the end of this year ndakuwa nimefanya. That's something I can do.
Akianzisha you guys, lazima
Yeah.
niwa plug. I'm gonna plug you guys to her channel because huyu ni fire.
Okay.
Then we are going to do some content together. Watch out for your channel.
Tulikuwa nimekusuggest hivyo.
We're going to do it.
Tunajaribu baking, at least to try baking, talking about life.
I know.
And here we are. Hata
We will.
sikuwa najua nakuja pika.
I know. Ni God too, by the way. Imagine we will. Once we settle down and everything, lazima tutawaangushia ma content.
Yeah, we'll be trying out new things. Yeah, I teach her what I know. She tells me what she knows. At least
Hii ndio hii chakula ya
Oh God.
Yeah.
Oh God. Kwani imepungua?
Of course, I said,
For real? Guys. Me akisifia. Guys, so we're gonna have lunch as we chat, as we catch up, nini, and then tunakula pork. One day is having pork ugali and soda. Me, I'm not having ugali. I'm just having pork and soda. And yeah.
Ndasa nilete type kani na ngani.
Soda. Unakunywa gani?
Tunakunywa passion. Tunakunywa sukari.
Hata mimi nilete passion.
Baridi ama warm.
Warm. Baridi warm.
Sawa.
You guys, imagine me sikunywangi soda baridi. Okay, nakunywanga but I'm not supposed to.
Passion baridi.
I know. I know, but well, me may love myself. I love my life. I'm going to take you somewhere we have cocktails. Acha tu.
Mama, I'm not leaving here anytime soon. But
I know. Tonight. You guys,
for an adventure.
tutakuwa tunakula, like we will be taking you as we go to eat.
Trying out new things.
I know, new
Pia mahali
places.
kufunguliwa.
Ndio sisi. I know. Kwanza mimi ndio love eating. Aki nimesema, vile mi guys napenda kukula. Ni chakula ila nikataanga. Me and food. Like this. So guys, wacheni tukule and then I'm gonna get back to you and we continue this vlog. We're going to my sister's place today. Sija decide. Aki have not been there in quite a long time. If I go there, sinajua tu. I'm taking you with me. So bye guys, wacheni kule. So guys, we're done with our lunch to Shiba. The pork was sweet, delicious. So hii pork city ni yenye iko opposite Best Lady along street. Huku naitwa sijui kama ni Rwamboko, I don't know guys. Maybe mnajua tuna disappointing when it comes to inaitwa aje to directions, because akisis and directions we don't meet. Guys, by the way, how see what I'm trying to do with my hair, but I want them to be long and sharp. Okay, I'll be that chick who shocks you. Anyway, I'm rambling. So we're done with lunch. Mwandi ameshiba hadi aongei.
Ukishiba unanyamaza tu.
Unanyamaza tu.
Tutakula tu iflo kwa mwili.
Pole pole. Wandia has gone home. I feel bad, like that girl is like a whole vibe, like she's everything, like energy yake tu acha. Like you guys check her out on Instagram, by the way, I'm gonna link her down here. And then hata nimekumbuka, let me sit down. Nimekumbuka sawa nani. Nimekumbuka I didn't even finish telling you about the store where I was getting my makeup products. So guys, that store is called at hiyo jina sijui. I'm going to give you guys, I'm going to link it down here so that you guys can go check it out. But that makeup store is in Thika. Kama unajua Kibetex shop hapo ama behind Victory Plaza, si kuna kwa barabara usonge mbele, see there are two entries, kuna kale kakonde na hiyo nono. So you go with that nono one, ushuke, you'll see that nini, uingie kwa hiyo barabara, you'll see that makeup store. Or unaweza enda na hiyo barabara bado ya hiyo street ya nini ati barabara, hiyo street ya Safaricom shop, and then ukishapita Safaricom shop hapo next, before you get to the other Safaricom ama Orchards, hapo kuna hiyo barabara ya kuingia, unaingia na hiyo barabara, you'll see that beauty store hapo. I'm going to link them down here here, so that you guys can go check them out on Instagram and support them, guys, because wow, you know, we are here to support each other. And yeah, like, the lady is amazing. It's amazing. The lady is amazing. She's such an awesome person, and I am. So in case you're going to get your foundation, your skincare products, just DM them on Instagram. They're going to give you the prices. They're going to answer any question that you have. So guys, this is me. Nimesharudi kwa studio, and my nails are looking cute. Imagine this is nail polish. Like, ni polish too. Na si cutex, ni polish. And then you guys, thank you so much, so much for the love, for subscribing, for sharing, for everything. Like, you guys are amazing. Najua sijakuwa nikiuploadia video 2 times a week as I had promised. I am najipata tu nimeshindwa ku upload. I have videos but I have not edited, but I'm gonna edit them and post them. I'm sure, I promise you, kesho is Saturday, you're gonna get to this video. What am I saying? Get to see. You're gonna get this video.
So whichever the way.
So guys, now we are at the studio.
Actually,
I'm done with my shughuli. Sikia tu venye tuna brainstorm hapa. We are thinking of how we're gonna make this setup. Let me show you. So that's what we are thinking about. So yeah. So guys, we're decorating the studio. You can always check this studio out on Instagram at @MashClick Studios. I'm gonna link it down here below so that you can see. Like, guys, vitu tunawapangia huku. You're not ready, by the way. Imagine you're not ready. So guys, we're done. Okay, we're not completely done, but we're done for the day. And this is how the setup looks like. Okay, let me show you when I flip the camera, because it looks so good. Akinikuwa niseme camera, guys. Ninja, by the way. Imagine. So guys, so guys, this is how our setup looks like, and it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful, like the gold. Oh my god, you guys. Mimi niliwaambia you're not ready. Niliwaambia you're not ready, by the way. Ebu see. Have you visited MashClick Studios? You've not. Ebu come. Kujeni sasa, because we're ready for you. June babies, the birthday setup is here for you. Like, come on. Kujeni sasa. We're ready. Hey, ata sija. Watch out. You will see. So guys, this is what we are working on, and it looks amazing. In case you're having your birthday, June babies, you're welcome for your birthday shoot, because this place looks amazing. So guys, if you've not subscribed, subscribe. Hapo chini, go to your subscribe button, and also the notification bell, so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you've not subscribed, fanya hiyo venye tumesema. And then you guys, until next time, bye bye, and work towards your dreams. Mwah.